55,000-ton gigacasting technique represents Tesla's most radical attempt yet to solve the real bottleneck of modern technology, large-scale production. Building a few impressive prototypes is difficult, but turning a breakthrough into hundreds of thousands of identical products is exponentially harder. Tesla has long argued that the machine that builds a machine matters more than the product itself, and nowhere is that philosophy clearer than in the world's largest Giga Press. This is not simply an oversized aluminum casting system. It is a complete rethinking of how cars are manufactured. Instead of assembling a vehicle body from hundreds of stamped and welded parts, Tesla aims to form massive structural sections in a single operation, creating a seamless metal structure in seconds. The ultimate goal is clear: electric vehicles that are cheaper to produce, structurally stronger, quieter on the road, and fast to build than anything the traditional auto industry has achieved. This approach is especially critical for future high-volume vehicles like the Tesla Model 2, where cost, speed, and consistency determine success. At the heart of this transformation is the sheer power of the 55,000-ton Giga Press. Its enormous clamping force keeps steel molds perfectly sealed while molten aluminum is injected at extreme pressure. Even the smallest mold separation would ruin a casting, so this level of force ensures precision and repeatability at an unprecedented scale. Compared to the 23,000-ton presses used on earlier vehicles like the Model Y, the new system is more than twice as strong, allowing Tesla to cast significantly larger components while reducing vibration, improving mold alignment, and maintaining tighter tolerances. Entire structural sections measuring nearly 2 meters in length can be produced in roughly a minute and a half, with dimensional deviations measured in fractions of a millimeter. That level of accuracy simplifies assembly, reduces long-term wear, and directly contributes to a vehicle that feels solid and cohesive even after years of use. The Giga Press also handles enormous volumes of molten aluminum. Its holding chamber can maintain up to 5 tons of alloy at temperatures exceeding 730 degrees Celsius, with temperature stability control within just a few degrees. Managing that amount of heat is comparable to powering a small residential building, yet it is essential for ensuring proper metal flow, density, and structural integrity. From this molten mass, Tesla can produce single castings weighing well over 100 kilograms, integrating major load-bearing sections of the vehicle into one unified piece. Areas that once required multiple reinforcements and complex welds, such as suspension mounts and wheel arches, are now formed as a single continuous structure. This reduces weight, limits deformation, and improves crash performance by eliminating weak joints. Speed is another major advantage. Each casting cycle takes roughly 100 seconds, making it significantly faster than older large-scale casting systems. When operated nearly around the clock, a single Giga Press can produce hundreds of thousands of large structural castings per year. As production volume increases, fixed costs are spread across more vehicles, driving down the per-unit cost of the Model 2 and reinforcing Tesla's ability to compete aggressively on price. Beneath the surface, internal casting quality also improves dramatically. By evacuating air from the mold cavity to very low pressure levels, Tesla reduces gas bubbles within the aluminum, which are a primary cause of microcracks and long-term fatigue. Fewer internal defects translate into higher torsional strength, lower failure rates, and a structure that maintains its integrity over decades rather than years. Cost reduction is where the Giga Press truly reshapes the economics of car manufacturing. A single mega casting can replace several hundred individual components that previously had to be stamped, coated, transported, stored, welded, inspected, and aligned. Eliminating those steps cuts labor costs in the body assembly process by a substantial margin, while also reducing errors and inconsistencies. Faster cooling and optimized solidification further reduce defects, saving hundreds of dollars per vehicle that would otherwise be lost to rework and scrap. Entire factory layouts can be simplified, shrinking the number of welding robots from hundreds to just a few dozen and reducing floor space requirements by nearly half. Internal logistics become more efficient, with fewer forklifts, less storage, and shorter production paths. When these savings are multiplied across hundreds of thousands or even millions of vehicles, the financial impact reaches into the billions, making it possible to sell an affordable EV while still protecting profit margins. Beyond cost and speed, the 55,000-ton Giga casting approach fundamentally improves durability and driving experience. A body formed from large, continuous castings is inherently stiffer than one assembled from thousands of welded sheets. Higher torsional rigidity improves handling, stability, and safety, especially during sharp maneuvers or on uneven roads. Crash simulations show reduced cabin deformation, helping preserve occupant safety zones. Precision casting also improves panel alignment, cutting wind noise at highway speeds and creating a calmer cabin environment, an advantage particularly noticeable for drivers who value comfort and quietness. Over time, the absence of thousands of welds significantly reduces corrosion risk and prevents the gradual loosening and misalignment that often plague traditional vehicles as they age. Even after many years of use, a cast structure retains its shape far better than a welded frame, maintaining a solid, rattle-free feel. Repairability is also improved through modular crash sections that absorb impact forces and lower repair costs in minor collisions. In everyday driving, the benefits are tangible. Reduced vibration, smoother cornering, and lower noise levels contribute to a more confident and refined experience. Maintenance costs drop as structural stability lasts longer and fewer components are exposed to fatigue and corrosion. Taken together, the 55,000-ton Giga Press is more than a manufacturing milestone. It is Tesla's strategy to turn production itself into a decisive competitive advantage. By embedding strength, precision, and efficiency directly into the metal, Tesla is redefining how cars are built and how they age. The result is a vehicle that is quieter, stronger, cheaper to produce, and more durable over time. As this technology scales, the gap between traditionally assembled cars and cast-structured Teslas may become as striking as the massive machine that creates them. By replacing thousands of welds and joints with a continuous metal structure, the 55,000-ton Giga casting approach also changes how a vehicle feels throughout its lifetime. Vibrations that normally travel through layer panels are absorbed more evenly, resulting in smoother rides and a quieter cabin, especially at highway speeds. Long-term durability improves because fewer joints mean fewer stress points where fatigue and corrosion usually begin. Even after many years, body alignment remains more consistent, preserving tight panel gaps and reducing rattles. For owners, this translates into lower maintenance costs, better resale value, and a car that maintains its original solid character far longer than traditionally built vehicles, reinforcing Tesla's vision that manufacturing excellence directly shapes them. The Tesla PY Phone Fold projected for 2026 is being positioned as more than just another smartphone release. It represents a shift in how personal technology could function in everyday life. The core idea is radical in its simplicity, a device designed to reduce friction instead of adding it, potentially offering lifetime satellite connectivity through Starlink, a new aluminum-ion battery architecture, and a custom operating system called XOS, all deeply integrated into the broader Tesla and X ecosystem. The promise of never paying for